Okay guys, this is a Mobilodge Continental. I'm going to quickly make an assessment of its power system. This is a short version of the video that I'm going to do with a full assessment. Just want to quickly show you what is coming up. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, so inside here you will find a power panel. Okay, and the major concern for me immediately when I see this power panel is the lack of an earth leakage unit. Very dangerous, inappropriate. This needs to have an earth leakage unit. Okay, in my full video I'm going to show you and explain the whole design criteria of an AC and DC power system in the video. Okay, this is just a short version. When we look at these breakers, they are actually AC breakers rated for AC loads. They are being used for DC loads. For instance, inside lights, that's just 1 or 2 LEDs. You have a 10 amp breaker, which is a bit excessive, but it is better than no protection. Okay, so I will take you through that very soon on my full video. Okay, we will also have a look at the battery compartment. Let me show you quickly. Wow, okay, so look out for my full video. I'm going to explain everything in there. See you there.